It is delicious. Hey guys, it's me, Becca, and welcome back to my channel. So today, ooh, I am so excited. I can't even tell you how happy I am. I love Chili's. I mean, if you guys know the big chain restaurant Chili's, they got like a little chili on thing, delicious. If you have been in any town in America, middle of the mall, you know what a Chili's is because they have great ribs and a bunch of other delicious stuff. But today we're gonna make one of my favorite appetizers there, their queso dip. It is so good, it's spicy and cheesy, and I mean everything you want your queso dip to be. It's like queso dip, and then this is Chili's queso dip. It has like a kick to it. And I think this is the perfect time because Super Bowl's coming up, and you know, appetizers, this is like the kind of stuff you want to have everywhere in your house, you know, if you're having people over. So it's just like everything. And I mean, if you're not having people over, you just want to sit down and eat this all by yourself. I mean, I'm gonna do that tonight anyway, so it works all year round, but it's especially great this time of year. Okay, for this recipe, you will need some Velveeta cheese, lime juice, salt and pepper, a cup of whole milk, 1 can of any no-bean chili, cumin, paprika, chili powder, and cayenne. Okay, so make sure to get your crock pot out. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on low now just to go ahead and start heating it up. While that bad boy goes, I'm gonna get my Velveeta cheese out and we're gonna cut it into cubes. That's just gonna help the cheese melt quicker. And if, again, this is a 16-ounce thing of Velveeta cheese. This is pretty much the star of the show. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is simply so the cheese will melt quicker. So I got my crock pot on low now. We're eventually gonna put it to heat, but I like to leave it on low when I start cooking, but then it starts to warm up. So the first thing you're gonna want is this is just a dump recipe. We're gonna dump everything in there. So go ahead and dump your cheese cubes. Boom. Okay, dump your cup of milk. You wanna dump in your can of chili. You wanna go ahead and put half a teaspoon of cayenne. I'm using half a teaspoon, so I had to double it. 3 teaspoons of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of cumin. Okay guys, and now you're gonna wanna go ahead and switch it over to high heat and then give it a good stir. It's not gonna mix 100% yet because the cheese is still in blocks. But you just want everything to kind of incorporate. And then once that is done, you just want to put the lid on it. Okay, guys, so go ahead and try Chili's queso. Okay, guys, now let's try Chili's queso. Oh my god, it's dead on. This is literally the same thing. It is a tad bit spicier, but I appreciate the heat. This is perfect for the Super Bowl get together. You want it just like that, drenched in queso. Any guest would be happy with this. I know I am. Okay guys, final thought is it's absolutely delicious, but do be warned, this one is a little bit spicier than the Chili's recipe. But of course, you know, you can also change that with using a little bit less chili powder, a little bit less paprika, and a little bit less cayenne. If you just cut those all in half, it'll be a lot less spicier. But overall, I like the hit. I like a little spice when I eat things. So to me, it's very tolerable, but if you're someone who doesn't like the spice, well, you know, cut back a little. But overall, I really enjoyed this recipe. And I feel like I never have to have the Chili's one again because this is like twins with it. And I actually like it better than the Chili's recipe, in my personal opinion, because it has a little bit more of a kick. I used to always add a little hot sauce to mine anyway, so this is perfect. Okay guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button, leave a big thumbs up, and leave any comments down below, any, concerns. Oh my god, Becca, that was amazing. Anything to boost my ego, maybe just a little. I don't know. Thank you guys so much. Bye.
Thank you.